to an avalanche covered up my soul. And I am not this hunchback, you see, asleep beneath the golden hill. You who wish to conquer pain, you must learn to serve me well. You strike my side by accident as you go down for your gold. The cripple here that you clothe and feed is neither starved nor cold. It does not ask for your company, no, not at the center of the world. When I am on this pedestal, you do not love me there. Your laws do not compel me to kneel grotesque and bare. I myself am this pedestal for the ugly hum at which you stare and stare. You who wish to conquer pain, you must learn what makes me kind. The crumbs of love you offer me, they're the crumbs I left behind. Your cross is no credential here, it's just a shadow, the shadow of my wound. I have begun to long for you, I who have no greed. I have begun to wait for you, I'm waiting on my knees. You say you've gone away from me, but I can feel you when you breathe. Do not dress in those rags for me, I know you're not poor. Don't love me quite so fiercely now, when you know you're not sure. This is your world, beloved, it is your flesh that I wear. This is your world, beloved, it is your flesh that I wear. This is your world, beloved, it is your flesh that I wear.